Hey guys, as you know that Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL was out last year, and the best thing of both of the mobile is display and appearance. So if you are not able to afford any of the Pixel phone, then this video is going to be very helpful for you. In this video, I am going to show you how you can make the appearance of your mobile looks exactly like Pixel 2 and Pixel 2 XL. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe the channel. It will not take you much time, but it will a lot mean for me. And also, if you don't want to miss any update, tap on the bell icon. Now without doing any further delay, let's get started. As you are seeing that the display of my mobile is simple and did not looks like Pixel 2 XL. Now to convert it into Pixel 2 XL, open your Play Store and search for Nova Launcher. And then download this application. Once the application will be installed, open it up. Now here choose all the options exact same as I am choosing. After that, tap on the application icon, and after that you will see that the display is changed. But now you have to do some setting. Tap on dock option and then on dock background, and then disable the dock background. Then tap on desktop and click on search bar style. Choose the first style of the search bar, this one, and this colorful logo of Google. Then again tap on dock and click on search bar in dock and select the third option below icons. Now see the appearance of your mobile. Now again open the Play Store and search Pixel navigation bar. After installing this application, open it and then simply enable it, and see the appearance of your mobile, that it is completely changed to Pixel 2 XL appearance. So guys, that's all for the video, and I will see you in the next one.